Okay. So this is the first lesson of 2 lessons where the students learn to write multiplication and division fact families. We want to start by reminding them of the division model, connecting it to the multiplication model, which is something we did at the very first lesson as well. And we're really going to drive home this vocabulary so that they know what to do later on, especially tomorrow. So remember the division model? This should be old hat by now. We've done it so many times. 16 is a dividend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then we take away 2. And we take away 2. And we take away 2. We take away 2. And 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 we take away 2. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. Well, what you're going to notice, we can also use repeated subtraction. Well, what you're going to notice is that this picture, the equal groups, is just a multiplication picture, right? Equal groups, groups of, is how we learned to multiply. Right? So, if we get a division answer, we can check our work using multiplication. But now remember, that's where we put it together, right? We say, we have 8 groups of 2, and then we add up all the amounts. That's 16. Oops. So, the dividend here becomes the answer to your multiplication here. Think about when we used to do our paper that looked like this, right? If we had 8 groups of 2, it was 8 times 2 makes 16. It was 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 makes 16 our answer. That's just the opposite of starting with 16 and subtracting 2, subtracting 2, subtracting 2, subtracting 2. So, anytime we see division, we're going to write a related multiplication sentence. And the most important thing we need to know is that it's the opposite. So here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cookies total. That's my dividend, the whole amount. But it's also the answer to the multiplication, the product. Here's where our groups go, and the number in each group. Just like here's where it would go for multiplication. Right? So 20 divided into 4 in a group gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Or we could say 5 groups of 4 makes 20. 20 divided by 4 makes 5. 5 times 4 makes 20. Again, the dividend is the same, of division is the same as the answer to multiplication. Then we're just going to keep doing examples with the class. Counting up the dividend, using it to write our division sentence, and then using it to find our multiplication sentence. Really, kids are just noticing patterns.